Glossier products at Sephora.
Guys, the stretch concealer is so good. You just gotta warm it up.
I tell them all the time.
It's like moisturizer.
It's the best.
Melty.
So melty. And I'm gonna try the Hourglass Seamless Finish Foundation. Why are you so much taller than me? The color that I own is Shell. And these are like really cool. You could use them as like a contour even. I'm gonna try one of these. She actually works here.
Sometimes I don't like to talk about things I'm really excited about because it comes across very salesy, but I just love Sephora.
She just asked if I have downloaded the app.
The app is amazing. It's recently updated. You can just shop on the go. They're out of the
Oh my god.
It'll be at your house for free.
Oh my god.
Point Perks. I discovered the Dior primer, all the Sunny Riley stuff through Point Perks.
That's
Why
true.
not just get some free gifts? And people don't know this. Sephora actually produces a lot of these brands, including Marc Jacobs, a handful of other brands. So that's why they'll have like the sickest samples because they're making it all in-house.
Wow. And I love some milk stuff. Which things do you like own and like love?
Love a lot of the lines. The Sunshine Oil is definitely my number one holy grail. It's all over.
I feel like I've seen you use the concealer.
I like the concealer a lot.
Oh, and what did you use as your bronzer today? On your cheeks?
Matte bronzer.
One of these. Oh. Baked. Oh, cute.
Yeah, totally matte. It's really nice. It's not too golden, so I feel like my skin never looks
Yeah, it's just like subtle.
patchy. I just do it with my fingers.
Ooh. Look how dewy it is, like already on its own.
Yeah, it's really nice. But especially for photos, this is amazing. It photographs really beautifully, and the whole line is vegan.
Oh, cute. Of course I want to buy it, and they don't have any more left, so we need some assistance, please.
Here's a good milk trick.
Okay.
Everybody's obsessed with like ice rolling.
Yeah.
This is a cooling water stick. You keep it in your freezer or in your fridge. I keep it in the fridge actually. The freezer's kind of intense, but it's already super cooling on its own. But if you put that under your eyes in the morning, I put it all over my face. It's just so hydrating. It's amazing on the plane. And they made sticks so you can travel with them. I don't work for Milk. I just really love the brand. And the hydrating oil. I literally lather myself in this, and they're so cute.
They are cute.
And they make minis.
Oh, perfect. Yes. But I like these. Like, I like something substantial in my hand. So I recently broke my Perfect Pressed Powder by Cover FX. I'm going to replace it. They have one left. In my shade, I get medium. It's a pressed powder, but I use it as a bronzer because it's just really warm. So, and it's matte, so it's really buildable and blendable. It's just like good to like warm your skin up, especially in the summertime. For brows, I've been using this Precisely My Brow Pencil for a while. It has a brush on one end and then the gel pen on the other, and I really liked it. But I think I'm gonna switch to the Cabal because I've been liking gel. Like token.
I like it. It's good with the new blonde. It'll be good for the blonde or blonde that's to come. Stay tuned.
Another.
Okay, so the kids on the internet are really dying for this
Farsali
Illuminator. Ooh, this is not the greatest example. Honestly, this is super dried out.
Sorry, Farsali.
Sorry. It's usually like a jelly texture.
Oh. It seems like a little dried out.
Yes, it's kind of grossing me out actually.
Fail.
But for Sally, here you're doing good things. I'm gonna blame it on this Sephora sample. Look, I've had no black. Honestly, at one point I would have spent all my allowance and my sister's allowance on this.
Stop. Yes. It's gonna get all over your dress. Wait. Gucci Bloom. Ooh, Chloe. They didn't invite me on their trip, but maybe if I buy this myself.
Here's my favorite.
Oh yeah, are you still using that?
Yeah, I have like 4 of them. I love them.
That is a staple Nadine scent.
Yes. Peony.
Let's show them our new favorite Tom Ford. Eau de Soleil Blanc. Oh.
It smells.
God.
I know.
It smells like my summer at the beach, like in a bottle.
Cover
like they
me.
Put it in a bottle. Cover you in it?
Woo!
I think I sprayed
In the face.
so good.
Apparently, it's good to spray perfume on your stomach. There's something about like the nerve endings in your stomach, on your tummy. On your tummy. It will like, that part of your body will hold on to the scent for longer. Isn't that crazy? I like doing a spray and walk away. Walk into it.
Walk away.
Yeah, spray and walk away. It's warm and spicy. There's my fall scent. This isn't about me, this is about you.
No, it's about you. I brought you.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, I think I just need to replenish my creamy concealer. I use, where is it?
Custard?
Yes.
Yeah, I feel like you're a custard girl.
I am.
Custard and then I really like creme brulee. So I'm feeling a little bit pale, but then I mix them together.
Oh, cute.
They're out, I think.
Yeah, check it out.
Oh, here we go. Right here.
Whew. Need.
All right. Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I put on my nose. I really like it. I feel like it's buildable. You can work it into your foundation or use it to highlight. I like the formula. Kind of has a golden hue, but it's very translucent. Obsessed with the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliners. This is the shade Marigold. I just like to do it like under my eye for like a fun color.
So pretty.
So cute, right?
I love using these matte shades, specifically this kind of like electric blue on my waterline. And I have to say, this little one right here is just so generous. And when Marc Jacobs was so generous and gifted her all of these, I started crying, and it's the only time I've ever seen blogger mail that I was jealous of. And so she gave me some. They're so nice. They're worth every penny, and they last forever.
And they last like forever.
Yeah.
They don't come off. Now we're kind of freaking out because we just discovered the Twinkle Pop eye sticks.
I wonder if these are new. These are so beautiful. Can I see that color?
Yeah.
You know I love a red eyeliner. Oh my god, that is stunning. What goes with your shirt?
It's so good. But I want this just because of the bottle. It's so cute. It looks really nice. Hydrating.
They have a coconut bath scrub and it's amazing and it smells so delicious and my skin feels so good after. I love this.
Love your I feel like you would really like this since you like a no makeup look. This is my favorite. This brand, Herborian. It like adapts to your skin tone.
Oh, that's so cool. We should not be allowed to come in here together.
I know, it's really wrong. But love that.
Can't wait to see.
We got some good stuff. I'm gonna go check out.
It's gonna be a good haul.
Thank you for coming to shop with me. You're the best. Let's do it again soon. Nadine knows all the best stuff, so I only come with her. Did you submit your application for employment?
I'm trying to work 3 hours a week.
Perfect.
More than a Sephora enthusiast.